राघव प्रत्ययार्थन्तु दुन्दुभेः कायमुत्तमं दर्शयामास सुग्रीवो महापर्वतसन्निभम्। राघव घास्महाप्रणः प्रत्यय अर्थम थामहाप्रणः राघव प्रत्ययार्थम is a compound word. Tu dundubhehe bhasmhaप्रणः visarga changes to jihva mulya kayam dundubheh kayam because of sandhi uttamam kayamuttamam darshayamasa sugrivaha becomes sugrivo because of sandhi mahaparvata sannibham is a compound word bhasmhaप्रणः राघव प्रत्ययार्थन्तु दुन्दुभेः कायमुत्तमं दर्शयामास सुग्रीवो महापर्वतसन्निभम्। उत्स्मयित्वा महाबाहुः प्रेक्ष्य चास्थि महाबलः पादाङ्गुष्ठेन चिक्षेप सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनम्। Utsmayitva Mahabahuhu is a compound word. Visarga changes to Upadhmaniya. Prekshya Mahabahuh Prekshya because of Sandhi. Cha Asthi Chasthi because of Sandhi. Thasma Pranaha Mahabalaha is a compound word. Pada Angusthena Padangusthena is a compound word. Tha is Mahapranaha. Chikshepa Sampurnam Dashayojanam is a compound word. Sampurnam ends in Anuswara followed by da, so it becomes Sampurnan Dashayojanam. Utsmayitva Mahabahuh Prekshya Chasthi Mahabalaha Padangusthena Chikshepa Sampurnan Dashayojanam. बिभेद च पुनः सालान् सप्तैकेन महेषुणा गिरिं रसातलञ्चैव जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा। बिभेद सेकेंड भास महाप्रणः च पुनः विसर्ग चेंजेस टू सी देयर सालान् पुनः सालान् बिकॉज ऑफ संधि सप्त एकेन सप्तैकेन बिकॉज ऑफ संधि Maha Ishuna, Maheshuna is a compound word. Girim, Rasatalam is a compound word. Cha, Rasatalam ends in Anuswara followed by Cha. So it becomes Rasatalancha. Anuswara changes to Nya, which is a nasal of Chavarga. Cha, Eva, Chaiva because of Sandhi. Janayan, Pratyayam, Tada. Pratyayam ends in Anuswara followed by Ta. So it becomes Pratyayan Tada. बिभेद च पुनः सालान् सप्तैकेन महेषुणा गिरिं रसातलञ्चैव जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा। ततः प्रीतमनास्तेन विश्वस्तः स महाकपिः किष्किन्धां रामसहितो जगाम च गुहां तदा। ततः the visarga changes to Upadhmaniya. Pritamanaha is a compound word. Tataf Pritamanaha because of Sandhi. Visarga changes to Su there. Tena. Pritamanas Tena because of Sandhi. Vishwastaha. Visarga changes to Su there. Saha. Vishwastas Saha because of Sandhi. Saha the visarga is dropped because of Sandhi. Mahakapihi is a compound word. Kishkindham. Dhasmaha Pranaha. Ramasahitaha is a compound word. It becomes Ramasahito because of Sandhi. Jagama cha Guham tada. Guham ends in Anuswara followed by ta. So it becomes Guhan tada because of Sandhi. Tataf Pritamanastena Vishwastassa Mahakapihi Kishkindham Ramasahito Jagama cha Guhan tada. Tato Garjadharivaras Sugrivo Hema Pingalaha तेन नादेन महता निर्जगाम हरीश्वरः ततः अगर्जत tato garjat because of sandhi. The th in the end changes to the because of sandhi. Harivaraha is a compound word. Now the harivaraha ha changes to mahaprana dha. So it becomes tato garjadharivaraha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to su there. Sugrivaha. Tato garjadharivaras sugrivaha because of sandhi. Sugrivaha becomes sugrivo because of sandhi. Hemapingalaha is a compound word. Tena nadena mahata nirjagama hari ishwaraha. Harishwaraha is a compound word. Tato garjadharivaras sugrivo hemapingalaha tena nadena mahata nirjagama harishwaraha.